I think there's often a symbiosis between different agile methods, methodologies, tools and techniques, which means that though they're good when applied by themselves, they're often even better when applied in combination. One good example I think of this is no upfront design, meme, slogan, whatever, call it what you will, and refactoring. Now, I find design really hard. Now, every time I think I know anything about it, something comes along and, whoa, I've got to revise my entire thinking. Lots of really clever people have been thinking about design for years and really haven't really got that silver bullet yet. And I don't think it's going to happen anytime in the future. Now, the problem you've got is to produce a perfect design, well, it might take you a very long time, a big upfront investment, and you may well not succeed. Now, the no upfront design rule really means doing appropriate design for the current perceived users' problems, what the user's saying they want today and tomorrow, and maybe if you don't know what they need downstream, well, let the tomorrow look after itself. Now, that works well with refactoring. Why? Because refactoring means the constant improving of the quality of the code. So if you see some code which is bad, don't just wait, dive in there and improve it. And refactoring also improves design. That's one of the critical things. When you refactor, you should look to improve the design. So if you see something which looks like a pattern, smells like a pattern, but isn't quite using the right nomenclature, you dive in there and improve it. Now, one of the sympathetic techniques which allows effective refactoring is automated test cases. By actually automating what the customer says they want into a test, what that allows you to do is to be pretty confident when you're doing refactoring. You can be confident and bold, and that's important. And in the face of change, quite robust as well, because you're clear about what's changing. If you're changing the test suite, you keep the code the same and then alter it. If you're just refactoring, well, you don't change the test suite substantially. You change it as little as possible and only to actually affect what the code bindings are. So they work well together, and that allows refactoring. An automated test suite allows continuous evolution and improvement of a design. So no upfront design doesn't mean actually no design. It means lots of design as you go along, and everybody's a participant in the process, which is also important, I think.